Welcome to Learning English.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How are you?
I am good. Thank you. How about you?
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What's the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have been to Germany.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, French, and Spanish.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is French fries.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inglourious Basterds.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have cat.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play guitar.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Little Women.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas holiday.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have many hobbies.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love to dance.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English literature.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is brownies.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't have any phobias.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is strawberry juice.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Grey's Anatomy.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Boston.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I am not afraid of heights.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, I love roller coasters.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is lavender.
Can you ski?
No, I can't ski.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is chess.
Do you have any nicknames?
Yes, my nickname is Tommy.
What's your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is science fiction.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Mexican food.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
Do you have any regrets?
No, I don't have any regrets.
What's your favorite type of candy?
My favorite type of candy is Starburst.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I love to sing.
What's your favorite beach activity?
My favorite beach activity is build sand castles.
Do you believe in luck?
No, I don't believe in luck.
What's your favorite museum?
My favorite museum is Louvre.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is school events.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint.
If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe for the latest tips. And let's keep practicing together. Thank you for being part of our English learning journey.